Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here, and I would love it if you could subscribe by clicking that link down below. Today's video is going to be very exciting because I am partnering up with IKEA. I cannot believe I'm saying these words, you guys. I'm going into my senior year of college and I have to furnish a house. Well, not the whole house, but I have to furnish my room of the house, and I don't have anything because the past few places that I've lived in have been furnished. So I'm partnering up with IKEA to show you guys some of the things that I've purchased for my room. I'm gonna do a full room tour when I'm back down at school, of course, but for the time being, I wanted to show you guys the things that I picked up for my room. I have some accessory type things, and then I will show you guys the furniture that we got. I went to the IKEA on Long Island, where I'm from, yesterday with my dad, and it was quite the adventure. IKEA is just so perfect for those people who are younger. I'm 21, so if you're trying to furnish your college house, or maybe your first house out of college, or maybe you're just trying to get some accessories for your dorm, for those people who are like me, balling on a budget, IKEA is so perfect. I can also be honest with you guys and say that I got so much stuff for under $500, which it sounds like that's a lot of money, but furniture is rather expensive. I'm learning very, very quickly. So it's great that you can shop at IKEA and get so much for your buck. You get to really make your dollar stretch. Also, going through the store is just an experience in and of itself. If you've never been to an IKEA, go. You also can pick up some unique finds, I feel at IKEA, that they don't really have everywhere else, at any other home store. Their stuff I find is great for maximizing space, which is really important, especially if you're living in a dorm room or maybe it's your first apartment. My apartment room last year was literally so small and I had to maximize every square inch of space, and IKEA is perfect for that. So I thought that this would be a perfect video to share with you guys what I picked up. I know you guys love the home decor hauls. I've done one every year going back to college, so I'm so excited to do it again, and working with IKEA, perfect. I guess I'll get into the accessory type items first. I want to say that I will link everything down below, and the furniture is still in boxes. I have to put it together, and I'm actually going to be using the TaskRabbit service, which is, now I did a school project on this. This is so mind-boggling to me. I literally did a school project on this, and now I'm talking about it to you guys. IKEA partnered up with TaskRabbit, which is a handyman service. So you can get someone to come to your house and put together your furniture for you, but you could also use TaskRabbit for other things. If you just are having a busy day and you want an extra hand, you can hire someone from TaskRabbit, but I'm going to use it to help them put together my furniture because that will definitely maximize my time. Oh, so basically all of the bigger objects are in their boxes, but I will insert pictures and I'll give you all the specs and features and stuff of them because I think that that's really important. So I'll start with the accessories. I'm gonna go with the same kind of color scheme that I've been going with, which just happens I'm wearing today, this blush pink color and then white, and I'm going to try to integrate some more black into my room this year. So those are kind of the room colors I'm going with. I'm gonna use my same bedding from last year just because why not? But I am going to spice it up with some IKEA things. First, I found this pillow when we were going through the showroom and I really like it. I just think it's very classic and simple, but also thrown in with the rest of my pillows. I think it will really make a statement. It's also a nice material, and the prices are unbelievable. I want to say this pillow was $15, which if you go to anywhere else, you're not gonna find it for that cheap. So this will be a fun piece to throw on my bed, and if it doesn't work on my bed, I can put it in my living room. So that's why I love just shopping for all of my stuff for my house now, because at least I'll have it and I'll be able to put it really anywhere. I can put this on my desk chair, it can go anywhere. Next, I got this little fuzzy rug sort of deal, and it is definitely fake, of course. It's not real fur, don't worry. Mentioned in the store that you can throw this on the end of your bed, and I thought that that would be a really, really cool look, draping it over the end of my duvet cover, but also putting this on the back of my desk chair could be cute, or also just throwing it on I love a good fuzzy rug, and I think that this is just really, really cute. So I'm definitely going to be putting this in my room. I think that with the combined simplicity of the IKEA furniture, adding fun pops of things like this really make the room look very expensive and nice when you're really just balling on a budget. So that's why I really like IKEA. Next, I got a blanket. I cannot have enough blankets. When I sleep, I pack on the blankets. I'm always cold. And this is the same color as my shirt. I really like this. This is just a light blush color blanket, and it's a knit, so I love that for anywhere accessorizing in my room. Love this for just accessorizing really any point of the room. I love using blankets as an accessory. You don't have to just keep them in your closet and only use them when you're cold. You can put them out on your stuff draped over. I just said the end of the bed again, but I'll probably put the rug on the floor because that makes sense, and then this on the end of my bed. And then another random thing I picked up is this ice tray, and I know this is so random, but I thought I would just throw it in because I did pick it up. It's just an ice tray, but instead of regular ice cubes, it has like the really long ones, so they fit in your water bottles, and I just saw it and I was like, you know, I've always wanted one of those, so I just picked it up, and definitely bringing this back to school, so we love that. Now for furniture, I just will talk you guys through, I guess, what my room is going to be like. And honestly, I don't know the dimensions of my room, so we're just guessing with everything here. I do have a full-size bed though. I'm using my mattress from last year, so I'm assuming that like I'll have a little more room to play around with then, because most people do a queen size bed. So if I have my full-size bed, then we also purchased, my dad and I picked out this really cute dresser at IKEA. I love it because it has frosted glass in the first drawer, so it looks very like elegant. I love that look. I think it looks like super expensive, and it's definitely not super expensive. The drawers on it are super big. You could tell that they just hold a lot of stuff, which I really appreciate because I have a lot of clothes that need that. I love the counter space, and I decided to stick with all white for my furniture this year just because I figured that it'll be super sleek and take me into adulthood. And I believe, I'm gonna correct myself with text if I'm wrong, but I believe that this dresser was around $150, so that's great. Next, I got a side table for my bed, and I love this. I love how you actually don't see the knobs on it. Like you're just able to pull it out. Looks super sleek. I like the height on it. I like how it has 2 drawers so you can fit a bunch of stuff in it. I utilize my bedside table immensely, and I actually didn't have a drawer on mine last year, and I found that I like really wanted a drawer because there's some stuff you don't want to like keep out for the public to see necessarily, but like you want to have next to your bed. That just sounded a lot more like risque than it actually is, but like I don't know, you know, like what. So I will definitely be utilizing that bedside table, and it was only 50 bucks, so that is amazing. What a deal. And then the final piece of furniture that I picked up from IKEA is this desk, and I just, as many of you guys know, I'm completing an internship, and a lot of people at my internship are transitioning over to standing desks. And I'm trying to live a more healthy, more balanced lifestyle. So I'm really into this idea of, you know, staying on your feet, getting in those extra steps, getting movement in. And I just love the idea of a standing desk. I think it's so unique and so different. So I decided to get this one that has like a little crank up knob on the side, and you can make it a standing desk or a sit down desk. So you do still have that option to use it as like a traditional desk if I'm doing homework or whatever. But if I'm like editing a video and I want to stand up and edit it, I think that's so fun. It's a really big like push, I feel like, in the workplace these days with these standing desks. And I saw that IKEA had some that have like electronic, you could like push it up electronically, but mine just has a little crank on the side. And this was, I believe it was $199. So I really like this desk though because the actual like desk surface is huge. So I'll be able to fit my computer and also do my makeup at it. Usually I double up and I'll like use my desk as a makeup vanity too, just to save space. I think it's going to be, I'm sure you guys can tell I'm quite excited about it. I think it will just be like a change of a traditional desk for me, and I'll get to see, you know, if I like it. And if you don't like it, like you can use it as a sit down. I just think it's cool to have the option. And that is what I got from IKEA. I had so much fun in the store. It was really quite embarrassing. My dad and I made a day out of it. So if you're looking for like going back to school shopping, like go with your parents and make it super fun and call it a day. Did not eat at the cafe. I was recommended to get the Swedish meatballs, but we didn't go. So I'll have to go back. That'll be my excuse to go back. I really still do want to pick up a few things from IKEA for my room. They had great mirrors, but I'm just nervous that they're gonna get damaged from me driving back to school. So I think I'm gonna pick up some mirrors and things like that when I get down to school. Also, I still need a bed. So there are a few things on my list that I'm still like thinking about getting. I just need to kind of properly plan now that I have like the basic furniture and go from there. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want more college hauls, give this video a thumbs up. You know what to do. Check out IKEA down below. I can't believe I'm saying that. It's unreal. So check out IKEA, and I will talk to you guys all in my next video super soon. I'm planning to post a lot for back to college season, so get pumped. All right, bye guys.